this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I had these Dove soaps in my stash. Yeah, I collect soap too. It's not only yarn. And what I've been up to is I thought, oh, I'm going to be short of liquid soap. So I am making liquid soap out of these Dove soaps that I had. And I'll just show you what color, what scent it is. It just smells so good. So there's 6 in one box that I bought, 6 bars of this soap, and it's rose. It is this soap. So in one box there's 6 of them, and they were on sale when I bought it. It's pink rose beauty soap, and I use it when I'm showering, and I use it when I'm hand washing my hands, especially with this virus going on. We've been washing our hands 100 times a day, so that's why I don't have enough left. This is what it is. It doesn't have to be this, it can be any soap that you have, but I like the feeling of the Dove when it turns to liquid. I put them in these containers, and I just found this on one of my, I guess, shampoos, and I just put this in and it works perfectly. So I just go like this. As you can see, it's a very nice, can you see? And I have another bottle here that it's almost finished. And I use this in the shower. Just to show you how it, see? And it leaves your hands nice and moist, because I knit a lot and crochet a lot. My hands are always dry, so I don't have to put lotion when I'm using this particular Dove. Like I said, it doesn't have to be rose. It can be anything you have, any other. See how it turns out? And I always brush between my nails. I keep it short, but these I left it because they break a lot. And yeah, it just it feels nice and soft and moist. So that's why I wanted to share, especially with the Dove, because I did use other soaps that I have, and I'll just show you. I have so many. I have handmade soap. I keep on using them, but I keep on buying. Here are some of my soaps. I bought these in Turkey when I was in Turkey. They smell so good. Oh, it's really hard to explain. It's English Home that I bought it from. A store name called English Home. But these are, I used a couple of these, and I left this one because it had the little leaf and the evil eye on it. So I kept that one. And these are olive oil soaps. I did use a couple of them. You know, can't find them here in Canada. So, yeah. But for this one, I'm going to be sharing the Dove with you guys. And yeah, put them in these containers. And they're nice and soft. And leaves your hand moist. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen. I boiled. Let me just turn off the light so you can see it better. I'm boiled. It's boiled. So what I'm going to do is just going to turn on the heat. Not too much. And I'm just putting all this water in. And I don't want it liquidy, and I don't want it not very liquidy. That's what I'm trying to say. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to boil this, but I'm going to try to dissolve the soap that I have grinded with this. I just use this and just stir this. So it's boiled water. That's what it is. That's what you need. You need boiled water. And so until let me just fill this. I always keep boiled water in my kettle. So I'm just stirring this until it's all dissolved. So I will keep on stirring. I did turn on my heat though, just to point that out, because with the boiled water and with the soap that I had 6 bars, and I had 1 leftover, I guess, because those bars, they don't last long. They only last, like 1 bar won't last for 3 showers. But this way, this will last for me for months. Yeah, it's very economy, saves you money, and your kitchen will smell gorgeous. So I'm going to keep on stirring until it's all dissolved, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've been stirring, and you can see the foams. I think they're all dissolved, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn off my oven, my stove, and then just going to use, it's all foam. Oh my goodness. So I'm looking, I don't see any big pieces. Looks like they're all dissolved. A lot of foam. Yeah. So, just gonna move this to the sink. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna empty those to these containers that I have been saving up. What are these, if you're wondering? These are Mrs. Meyer's. I believe they were dish soap. Yeah, they were dish soap. Yeah, they were dish soap that I bought, and I also use these on my white laundries when I'm washing my whites. So I just put a little bit of this just to make them clean better. It's these containers that I saved. I also put my vinegar. I use vinegar a lot just before this virus came. So when I'm washing my dishes, I always sanitize everything with this liquid. I wash my greens, my vegetables with water, and I put vinegar in it. So I use this container. This is very helpful, and it's very sturdy, like strong. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty foamy. Let me see if I can empty. I just want to show you. I empty, and then I let it cool. Yeah, there's lots of foam in here. Can you see? It's nice and pink. Oh, wow. Let me move it. Oops. Too much on this one. It's pretty hot. Ooh, it's hot, hot, hot. Yeah, I want to empty the container before it gets cold. It's easy to, here we are. So it's easier to empty when it gets cold. It gets like not tough, but the word is I want it to empty it when it's pure liquid. Then it would get colder. And I don't have to worry about it. I'm just wondering if I have enough containers. If I don't, might need to. I have some soaps in the. I haven't been gone shopping since March, since this thing came out. So it's only my husband who does the grocery shopping, and he only buys what is needed. So it's really tough. Like there was no battery in the house. We went to Dollarama to get some battery. It's that, because I buy everything that we need. Whew. Yeah, this is pretty hot. Okay, so I'm gonna continue emptying these, and this is how they look. I like the almond, and I like the original white ones. That the Dove. I bought these, I guess, when it came out, pink. Yeah, and I just empty this. Ta-da! So I emptied them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers, and a little bit in a jar. And this is how it looks like. And this is my hand soap, Dove soap that I found, and just to show you. So I hope you like this short do-it-yourself. Use your Dove hand soaps and make them into liquid, just like this. And it can be any scent that you have. So I hope you liked this tutorial, this do-it-yourself short video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Stay home, stay safe, take care.